Okay, here's another quick video on the Blade MSR. Okay, this is the one that's most popular. Okay, it has a tail rotor. Okay, full aileron, elevator. Um, this one can really shoot up to about 30 miles an hour. You have to learn how to turn using a combination of the tail and aileron. Okay, but to show you on the takeoff, keep that tail towards you, okay, and back up from it, get a view, full view, and try to get it up to your body height. Now I'm going to give a little bit of power. Now, if you see it turning a little bit, you will adjust. You will adjust the back rotor. Increase the power slowly. Okay, for some reason, this one wants to turn a little bit. Now I'm using ailerons to keep the aircraft centered for you. Now I'm getting ground effect here. Now I'm going to come away from the ground effect, which is about 2 feet high. Okay, left aileron, right aileron. Okay, I can't show you turns in here, but I could show you how just to rotate it. Okay, and it's done with the tail and a combination of the rotor. Okay, keep that tail towards you so you keep your orientation in. Okay, it's naturally going to want to circle to the right. If you look at the helicopter's sitting on an angle towards the right. All helicopters do that. Okay, so which gives you a very sensitive left aileron control. As you go to make a turn, there's a little aileron right there, and you're turning without giving any forward stick. Okay, if you give a little forward stick, it also has a higher rotor head speed, which gives it more stability. Okay, I'm going to come backwards with it. You try keeping your eye on the camera at the same time. Now again, this thing wants to the tail wants to turn. Sometimes you could just work the back tail a little bit. You could push it in, which I just did, to give it a little better adjustment. Okay, and we'll do the same thing. We'll start it up slow, and as you see, it wants to turn. Okay, that's better. It didn't really want to turn as much. There we go. That noise you hear is the left aileron controlling it. Now the tail wants to turn left. That's what you don't want to happen. So the tail wanted to turn left, so I gave it too many clicks. Give it 2 clicks back down. Okay, you're constantly using it. Again, I did too many clicks, so I just put it 4 clicks back. And that usually happens after a slight accident. You know what? I was giving it the wrong way, which is going to happen to you also. So we're going to come up to there on the rotation. And see how it works. Okay, that's about perfect. Okay. The tail always tends on these aircrafts to want to get a little fussy. And that's because of how you set the tail. If you notice that that's a little crooked, these tails aren't that expensive. It also depends on the distance you set the motor from it. Again, you can still control the helicopter. I mean, if you know it goes this way a little bit and you work with it, it's really no big deal. If the tail breaks or anything like that, it pulls out from right here. But I wanted to make this a quick video to show you the proper trim adjustments on this aircraft. Once it's trimmed, aileron, turning the rudder is what's going to cause this to shoot like a rocket. Again, turning it, keeping the nose up, will again give you the circle that you're looking for. You have to treat it like a big helicopter. And once you're able to do that, then you're able to go up to the bigger helicopters, which would be collective pitch rather than a set pitch wing on this one. You also have to keep the blades at the same tightness. You don't want them too tight, okay, on this. And like I said, there's a lot of adjustments and hop-ups for this one. The best hop-up for this one would be a high-performance swash plate. And if you see, I have an aluminum shaft in it. Okay, so if you put in the high-performance swash plate, the aircraft will perform fantastic. Okay, hope that helps you out a little bit. Basic trimming before taking this off.